Good morning.
Good morning, Judge. It's Joe Thomas. I'm gonna go get Miss Cole for you.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
It's ready for you. Just good morning, Judge. Whenever.
Good morning.
Miss Shasta Cole, how are you today?
I'm in jail.
I understand. Well, Shasta, you're charged with driving while your license is invalid. Now, I think you understand that charge, don't you?
Yes, sir.
You have the right to hire an attorney to represent you. You have the right to have the attorney with you while you're being questioned by peace officers or attorneys who represent the state. You have the right to remain silent. You're not required to make a statement. Any statement you make can be used in court against you, and you have the right to stop making any statement or any interview at any time. Understand those rights.
Yes, sir.
And you are a citizen of the United States,
Yes, sir.
and you are not currently out on bond for any other charges anywhere else.
I'm out on a PR bond
What for?
for possession. You gave me two PR bonds.
I don't know. You still on bond for those?
Yes, sir.
Shasta, let me ask you. This is a Class C, a fine only offense. So if you want to make a plea, I can accept your plea and assess your punishment today. So the
Okay.
charge of driving while your license is invalid, how do you wish to plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
All right. Let me just fill out this form here uh, while we're talking. And you've been in jail 2 days, right?
Yes, sir.
Yesterday and today. And that's going to pretty much cover the fine. So you're going to get time served today, Shasta.
Thank you.
They'll let you out here in a little bit.
Yes, sir.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. We'll bring the next one here momentarily, Judge.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. You gotta get again. I can bring it around.
And your name?
Gonzalez.
Which one? What's your first name?
Martin.
Martin Gonzalez. All right. We got two Gonzalez's in here today.
It's Martin Gonzalez.
Mr. Gonzalez, I'm Harris Blanchette. I'm the Justice of the Peace here in San Santa County. You're charged with the offense of possession of marijuana less than 2 ounces, a Class B misdemeanor. Do you understand those charges?
Yes, sir.
All right. Hang on just a sec. I got some forms I'm going to fill out while we're talking, so that when we get through here, I can just send it over to you and you can sign them and maybe get out of jail. You have the right to hire an attorney to represent you. You have the right to have the attorney with you while you've been questioned by peace officers or attorneys that represent the state. You have the right to remain silent. You're not required to make a statement, but any statement you make can be used in court against you. And you have the right to stop talking or stop an interview at any time. Do you understand those rights?
Yes, sir.
Do you need a court-appointed attorney, or are you going to get your own?
To be honest, I'm not in good situation, so I probably need one.
No problem. That's all right. And are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, sir.
And are you currently out on bond for any other charges anywhere else?
Say that again?
Are you currently out on bond for any other charges anywhere?
No. No.
All right. So I'm going to set your bond at $1,000. All right. Do you know how to get out?
Not really.
Well, you need to contact a bondsman and see what he would charge you to put up $1,000, or you can put up your own $1,000. That's up to you. Okay, but that $1,000 bond will get you out of jail, and you'll be able to come back to court later, since you're not in my court. All right. Do you have any questions?
Well, I've never been to jail here, so I don't know how this works.
Well, like I said, you can put up $1,000 of your money, or you can hire a bondsman to put up $1,000 of his money. There's two bonding companies right there in town across the street from the jail, and the jail staff will give you assistance in calling them and arranging something if you need to.
Okay.
All right. Any other questions?
Am I able to call family members so I could post bond?
Well, yeah, you'll be allowed to call anybody you need to.
Okay. Well, yeah, that's great. It's great news for me.
All right.
So that's it?
That's it, sir. Yes, sir. Unless you have another question, I can answer
No.
for you.
All right, thank you.
All right. Thank you.
All right, we're gonna put you in here, I'm gonna get this gentleman out. Put in there. Your turn. The judge.
Your name, sir?
Carlos Munoz, sir.
I'm going to pull up some paperwork I got on you, Carlos. Give me just a second.
Yes, sir.
I'm Harris Blanchette. I'm the Justice of Peace here in San Antonio County. And your name is Carlos Munoz how you say your last name?
Alcocer?
Alcocer.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Um, You're charged with possession of marijuana, a Class B misdemeanor. You have the right to hire an attorney to represent you. You have the right to have the attorney with you while being questioned by peace officers or attorneys that represent the state.
Yes,
You have
sir.
the right to remain silent. You're not required to make a statement. Any statement you make can be used in court against you. And you have the right to stop talking when interview or counseling or anything you want to do at any time. Do you understand those rights?
Yes, sir.
You need a court-appointed attorney, you're going to get your own.
Well, I was gonna see about all that and everything, and I also had a question. I know it's up to you.
Let's get through this first, and then I'll answer any questions you got. On the court-appointed attorney, you want a court-appointed, or you're going to get your own?
Yeah, well, I'll go ahead and just get a court appointed, and if I'm able to later on, I'll see about it my
Yeah,
own.
if you get your own attorney later on, then you can fire the court-appointed attorney.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, sir.
Are you currently out on bond for any other charges anywhere else?
No, sir.
All right. Now I'm going to set your bond at $1,000. Do you know how to make a bond?
Yes, sir. I gotta contact the a bail bond around here or something.
Yeah, there's one across the street. I'm sure
Okay.
he's sitting next to the phone waiting on you to call him.
Okay. Yes, that was actually part of my question because I know the officer had mentioned something about a PR bond, but I know that's up to you, sir.
Yes, it
I,
is.
I completely
Not,
understand, sir.
not at this time.
I understand, sir. I understand.
All right. Any other questions I can answer for you?
So I do have my bond of $1,000, you said?
Yes, sir. You make that bond and you're out of there.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.
You too.
Done right, sir?
Uh-huh.
Yes, sir.
Go ahead and tell the judge your name.
Hi, sir. My name is Eduardo Gonzalez.
Hang on just a second. Let me finish a form that I had. All right. I'm going to be doing some forms while we're talking, so I may be looking away, but I'm listening to you. And your name is Eduardo Gonzalez?
Yes, Your Honor.
Let me pull up these forms telling me, okay, Mr. Gonzalez, I'm Harris Blanchette. I'm the Justice of the Peace.
Yes, sir.
You are charged with possession of a controlled substance in penalty group 2, greater than or equal to 4 grams, but less than 400 grams. That's a felony in the second degree. You are also charged with, hang on a second. You're also charged with possession of marijuana less than 2 ounces. That's a Class B misdemeanor. And you have the right to hire an attorney to represent you. You have the right to have the attorney with you while you're being questioned by peace officers or attorneys that represent the state. You have the right to remain silent. You're not required to make a statement, but any statement you make can be used in court against you. And you have the right to stop any interview or questioning at any time. On the felony charge, you have the right to an examining trial. Do you understand those rights?
Yes, sir, I do.
You need a court-appointed attorney, you're going to get your own.
I'll get my own, sir.
All right. Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, sir. I was born and raised here.
All right. Are you currently out on bond for any other charges?
No, sir, I'm not.
Okay. On the marijuana charge, I'm going to set your bond at $1,000.
Yes, sir.
Hang on, let me get to the next piece of paperwork here. On the controlled substance charge, I'm going to set your bond at $10,000. Do you have any questions?
No, Your Honor. Do I have to call somebody to bail me out, sir? Like, could I call somebody?
Oh, yeah, the jail staff will let you make that phone call, and there'll be no problems.
I appreciate you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Your Honor, do I knock on the door and let them know that I'm done?
Yeah, but don't knock too hard. They'll think you're trying to escape.
Okay, yes, sir, yes, sir. I wanted to ask you first, Your Honor. And
That's all right.
thank you so much, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Yes, sir, I'm done.
I'm in this room right here. So I let the judge know your name?
Your name is?
Kenneth Ray Hightower.
Okay, hang on a minute, Mr. Hightower, and let me get your paperwork up here. Mr. Hightower, you're charged with possession of a controlled substance in penalty group 1, greater than or equal to 4 grams, but less than 200 grams. That's a felony in the second degree. Do you understand that charge?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm not asking if you're guilty. I'm just asking if you know what it means.
Yes, sir, I understand what you're saying.
Okay. Well, you have the right to hire an attorney to represent you. You have the right to have the attorney with you while you're being questioned by peace officers or attorneys to represent the state. You have the right to remain silent, not required to make a statement, but any statement you make can be used in court against you. You have the right to stop any any interview or questioning that you're doing, and you have the right to have an attorney, and you have the right to an examining trial. You understand those rights?
Yes, sir.
Do you need a court-appointed attorney or are you going to get your own?
Court appointed.
All right. Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, sir.
Are you currently on a bond for any other charges anywhere else?
No, not that I know of, sir.
Okay. Well, I think if you was out on bond, you'd know it. I'm going to set your bond at $10,000.
Then I'll be right here because I can't get a hold of money from here anyway.
Okie doke. That's all I have. You any other questions for me?
No, sir.
All right. Thank you very much.
Good afternoon, Judge. Is that everyone for this morning?
I don't think I have seen Eduardo Gonzalez, have I?
Let me ask Gonzalez's
There
name.
was Martin Gonzalez, but I don't think I've seen Eduardo yet.
Eduardo? Yes, sir. Let me ask. Yes, Judge. Eduardo Gonzalez is the gentleman you saw just previously of Mr. Hightower. Just prior to Mr. Hightower.
I thought that was, hang on, Munoz. Have I seen Munoz?
Gonzalez Munoz?
No. There's a Carlos, and his last name is Munoz Alcocer. I've seen him, but I don't think I've seen Eduardo.
Eduardo? All right, yes, sir.
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you Eduardo?
Yes, sir, I'm Eduardo Gonzalez, sir.
Oh, they forgot you, didn't they? Have I seen you this morning?
Sir?
Have I seen you already this morning?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
You just see me before the other person right now, sir.
Yes, sir. You saw Gonzalez second after Miss Cole.
All right, so I've seen
Gonzalez
everybody
Pinos.
then.
What was that, Your Honor?
I said, I was asking the jailer, I've seen everybody.
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you.
All right, sir. Thank you.